people of Niger Lottery. Yes, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Yes, I know say some of now there's somewhere they jollificate. Alright, Niger Lottery don't come again. The time now 10:45 p.m. and now the time for the Niger Gold Draw. Yes, anybody want that day, I hope so that they with my tickets and I hope so that they're ready for the Niger Gold Draw this night. Alright, my name is Angela and I'm going to be the anchor for the Niger Gold Draw. So now I want to tell you more about our machine. Inside this machine are 90 balls then they said. You can see how the machine they transparent and the balls then they arranged accordingly. And inside those 90 balls now 5 lucky numbers now we expect for inside this nice Niger Gold Draw. So now I wish you all the very best of luck. Make you enjoy the game. Alright, so the balls don't draw from like the first Niger correctly. The first one we get is number 35, we get number 57, number 26, number 41, we can't get to number 64. Yes, now the 5 lucky numbers for inside this nice Niger Gold Draw. So congratulations to all of you now when we say the numbers ball out for here this night. So, and just in case your number don't come out wherever on a day, if you still there with your ticket, make you still look at that if you get the machine number. Because now we won't move on to the one where we call the machine number. And of course, we know say the Niger Lottery game no dey complete without the machine number. So once again, I wish you all the very best of luck. Make you enjoy. Alright, so in no time the balls will be mixed. And the first number for the machine. The first one we get from the machine this night is number 71. We get number 47. We get single 4. We get number 74. We can get number 23. Yes, now all the numbers this will win this evening for Niger Gold Draw. So once again, big congratulations to all of you when we say the numbers come out here this night. Alright, and those of you where the numbers don't come out, we never forget to with the original one continue to play the game because now game of luck if you dey lucky next time. Alright, so yeah, for inside Niger Lottery, I want to remind you now of our other game we call it 1 out of 36 game, and that game now instant winning game. As you play the game, you win your money sharply. So alright, to get information about everything that they happen here for Niger Lottery, we dey for social media, we dey Facebook, we dey for Twitter, we dey for Instagram, and we dey for YouTube. Yes, on Facebook, if you make your comments, make your suggestion, anything whether your mind to tell us, and if you make your suggestion of how you feel, say Niger Lottery will put smiles on our faces. And also for YouTube, make you subscribe to our page, and then you see everything where they happen here, all the juicy juice, all the winning numbers, and all the machine number. You will see them with your own poro eye for inside YouTube. Yes, the time don't come, we don't come to the end of the Niger Gold Draw this night. So once again, big congratulations to all the Lotterians who win for inside this night Niger Gold Draw, and also those of our customers out there where they patronize Niger Lottery. say big thank you to all of you.